Yo, what's going on, guys? My name's TShirt Club. Welcome to the channel. I quickly want to do one of two things. One, introduce you to Into the AM's T-Shirt Club, or two, if you already know about T-Shirt Club, explain it a little bit more in case you are coming across the video with any questions, kind of looking for more information. And I'm going to let you guys know how you can get a free Into the AM graphic tee like the one I'm wearing right now, or this one I'm about to show you that's brand new in a little bit. Now, if you guys have been a subscriber of mine, been on the channel, or even if you are just looking up Into the AM stuff on YouTube, you've probably seen I have a bunch of Into the AM content on my channel over the last year and a half. I've been working with them. I like all their clothes, and the graphic tees are actually one of my favorite things, so it's actually kind of something exciting to talk about. So what T-Shirt Club is it is a monthly subscription t-shirt service where you get a brand new t-shirt design every month for $14.95, which is 40% off of their standard $24.95 is what they usually charge for a graphic tee. These shirts ship by, or within the first 7 days of every month. You get tracking data with this, so you always know where your shipments are. If you are doing this like long term and you're subscribing for more than 1 month, you can cancel at any time. You can even get multiple subscriptions if you want and get multiple t-shirts every month. Now, if you are new and are wondering what their tees look like, I have maybe up to 10 different videos covering their hoodies and their t-shirts. I got a lot of graphic tee stuff that I'll link in the cards and have the whole playlist if you want to go check them out. But one of their new t-shirts that just came out in the next couple of weeks that I just got is the 𝐴𝐶𝐸. Hopefully you can see this. This is like a standard graphic tee. The graphic tees are like really soft, which I said in multiple of my videos is why I like them. They always got like the Into the AM logo on the back. They got like black, red, blue, a whole bunch of different colors. But black usually is what they got a lot of their graphic tees on. You can see this one is an ace card. This is a weird position to hold the shirt. Ace card, you got an astronaut on the top, and on the bottom you got a submarine guy, aquarium dude. And if you're looking at the t-shirt like a normal person like you are right now, or like I am, you're gonna see this design. But if you're actually wearing it and looking down, you'll actually see the reverse design, kind of, which, you know, you'll see that, which is kind of neat. So that's one of their new shirts called 𝐴𝐶𝐸. There's a bunch, you know, I have a whole so much content on my channel. You can go check it out. So that's pretty much a quick summary of what it is. Now, how can you get a free t-shirt? What you can do to get a free t-shirt right now is I'll have a direct link down below in the description to T-Shirt Club. If you use my code SYNSKATER, SYNSKAR, they'll give you the first month of T-Shirt Club for free. So use the code, get the free t-shirt, and then you can cancel. Really no harm in doing it. Again, they have awesome stuff, so I would totally jump on it if I were you, and I really would jump on it because they are giving a limited amount of t-shirts out. So jump on it right now and hope that they still have some in stock for you to get. So that's T-Shirt Club in a nutshell. Again, just wanted to introduce it to you guys. Maybe this is your cup of tea. Maybe you like the Into the AM stuff, or especially a lot of people are going to be coming across this video just searching for it on the internet. So hopefully that answered all your questions. If it didn't, leave your questions down below and I will be sure to get back to you on them. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. That's it for this video. Like it, hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification, check the links down below in the description if you want to help support my channel. My name's TShirt Club. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.